Want to replace your washing machine's inlet valve? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: a screwdriver, a large and small flathead screwdriver, and a new inlet valve. Step 1. Remove the top. The inlet valve is at the back. Loosen the top cover of the washing machine by unscrewing the screws. Step 2. Remove the old inlet valve. First, remove these two tubes. It may be useful to use pliers to loosen them. Then disconnect all cables. Unscrew the inlet valve housing if necessary. Then take it out using a flathead screwdriver. Unscrew the housing from the inlet valve. Last but not least, unscrew the drain hose. Step 3. Fit the new inlet valve. Tighten the drain hose again. Then put the inlet valve back in the housing and click it tight again. Then reattach the housing to the appliance. Place all cables back in their proper places. Reattach these two tubes to the inlet valve and place the locking clamps back properly over the tubes. Step 4. Reinstall the top. Tighten the screws again. The inlet valve has been replaced and the washing machine is ready to use again.